Alright, so I hope this thing is recording me well. Hello everybody, this is Webnight, and this is a quick showcase basically of the new addition for the Operation Trebuchet expansion with elites and hunters, etc, etc. I received a lot of good feedback, right, about the AI movement and stuff, and right now we'll just try to show what's new. Most of it was already discussed on my Discord in development discussion channel, right, but there is some stuff that I want to show exactly, right. So first and foremost, you can now access a lot of the new, not a lot, but the new settings for the mod. Here it is. So you can enable or disable independent AI and set the health for all the types. Please read the description, because it actually says that if you change the Sankile AI, right, which is elites, you change overall AI, right, but some types such as like zealots or ultra, right, will scale that number by 2. Same with Angoi, which are grunts. The ultra grunts will scale that thing, and the hunters, right. So for the record, I am running right now with all of the requirement mods for Operation Trebuchet, as well as the expansion, right, itself, and Ace with Ace compatibility patch, just to check how the damage is working. So let's actually see. I'm gonna disable the damage for myself to actually show, right, the new behavior. So previously, the AI, which just has its own like built-in AI, right? The problem with it is that I tried to make it as controllable as possible to use. Therefore, for example, if they are engaging with me and seeing with me, they engage, right? If I'm like disappearing from their line of sight, I want you to have full control of telling them where to go, right, and what to do whenever they do not see or engage with enemies, right? That was not possible with my previous AIs, and I would try to update most of my custom AI to that system, right, so you have full control of the units. But yeah, and that system, the independent AI, right, is disabled right now. So you need to actually, if you want to them to storm your position, right, you would need to actually tell them to do that, right, so they will run towards the position, right, and if they see me, they try to engage with me, right. But if I'm not in their line of sight, right, they would still continue to move to that position, right, not attacking me. Therefore, I'm adding the setting that is called independent AI. Whenever you're enabling it, right, it basically makes the AI think by themselves, right? Well, it's a little bit of a it's not what it really is. It just basically makes the AI to storm the player, right, or try to get in cover, right, depending on the enemy type. So for example, for our test of the independent AI, let's try the elites, right? So we are engaging with the elites, they know about our presence, right, but I'm not in their line of sight. And as you can see, they don't do anything, they just stand there. I need to command them. But if we're gonna load the independent AI, right, like that, they will actually like storm us, right? And they're not as bad as you might think. One of them is storming us from the front, another one is flank us, right? Most of the time. Like, let's teleport ourselves somewhere there and see how it fucking changes, and he meleeed me. Yeah, that might happen as well. But that's alright. So let's load back again, right? Spawn 2 minor elites. Load the script on top of them. You would not need to load the script, right? It's just that it's not the script right now, it's not part of the mob, but it will be. So let's shoot at them and see what they're gonna do, right? You see, one of them is storming, and another one. You see what it's doing? He's always trying to flank me from the right position. Yeah, let's see. So yeah, one goes from behind, right, and tries to melee me. Hell, he actually succeeded at that, right? If we like applying it to the whole group, right? The group is dividing by basically if there's 4 units, 2 of them will try to flank and 2 of them will try to always like push you. With hunters, they will constantly push you, right? And the grunts as well, because those are not supposed to be like overcomplicated, right? AI, as well as I added some additions to the garrison buildings, right? So you can place a building and place any AI in there, right? And they will actually be garrison, right? They will actually like sit in there and try to shoot you. Another thing is that I changed their line of sight. So there was a problem that sometimes you can shoot them, but they cannot shoot you because they don't see your body, right? So right now it made in a way that if they see your whole body, right, they try to shoot you in the chest. Excuse me. If they don't see half of your body, they try to shoot you somewhere in the neck, right? And if they don't see the neck but see your head, they are shooting you in the head, right? So let's go in there. AI. Oh, he tries to throw a grenade at me. Come on. Yeah, he's... Oh, okay. Yeah, as you can see, he's trying to kill me. Do not move whenever garrisoned, right? So they will still try to melee me, right? Yeah, my little boy. Where is the elite? Oh, elite is in there, right? He's not moving at all, right? Because again, they are garrisoned. They garrison the building. But if I'm gonna go close, right, he will try to melee me. Yep, like that. So yeah, there is a lot of new stuff or like quality of life improvements, but I'm not gonna list them all, at least like here, right? If you want to know the whole update, right, check my Discord and see in development channel, or you can look at Steam, right? There is also like an update list whenever you publish an update every single time. So that's practically it, right? Don't forget that now you can change the settings with do you want that independent AI, right, be active? Do you want to change the Sankile health, fucking elites, grunts, or hunters, right? So try to like configure them and test them for yourself, right? What's suitable for you and what's not. And thank you for playing the mod. That's practically it, so I'm gonna leave you be there. I hope you will enjoy this new mini update. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye.